the dog slash his slash he slash they, Anthro Cocker Spaniel, endogenic system. This is like my PC specs. What?
He's like, hey guys, what's up?
I like Gage.
Heard about the
I don't
new
know why
Judge
you guys
episode?
are hating on Gage.
That's literally him though.
Considered going outside.
You considered psychiatric help? Ethan, you have one furry porn.
Zero.
No, they like, yeah, they brought me from what I was to like 720 or whatever. But they
Yeah, that's-
set it to.
To 4.
That's pretty good.
Oh, that was from okay. I thought.
I comfortably do the third.
Please stop saying that.
You gotta shut the fuck up.
Is that
I mean,
actually
that
an
looks,
imposter?
That looks more like possible than the shit Rodney Mullen does.
Shit.
First person shooter.
That did not just happen.
What?
That's funny.
What just?
That's uncomfortable to watch. Myself just like falling. They wouldn't even take my gift cards. Imagine how that made me feel.
I was so angry when they couldn't
I
take.
wouldn't take your gift cards either. It's a pedophile's card. Well, I don't want to be associated with pedophile. Yeah, I mean I've played it before, but this is the farthest I've ever got.
Oh, okay.
I think Alex is kind of a total drama rapist.
What?
What? Huh?
What did you say,
You
Rob?
don't believe me? Check the logs, man.
Anyone else?
Drew, come on.
No? No? I
What
thought
if
we
that
were
were
all in
actually-
Who's the
agreement
type
here.
of guy to like blow up a kindergarten?
Ethan sucks.
And the Democrats went.
That's badass.
And the Democrats went.
Harp?
That's
This is
actually-
not harp music.
It is.
And the Democrats went. And the
that?
Democrats went. Ooh, let me smell it.
We are... How do I want to put this?
Are you saying we're making a conspiracy against Gage?
Yes.
Of course we are. He's a fucking pedophile.
I don't know if Gage
I
is a
don't know.
pedophile.
You know, they gotta stick
You-
together.